Basically, this is how every student room looks like. It is always somehow clumsy, not really dirty, because I don't want to say my room is dirty. It's just somehow tight and not really making sense. So I've decided to transform this precious, gorgeous, good looking, somehow dirty room to this beautiful room, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I actually do all of this transformation within 2 minutes. It seems everything is looking good, right? Okay, so let's go. So the first thing I actually did was opening the window and looking at the room and start away without knowing what to do. I pack some things that is not really necessary. Like, it's just so frustrating, but the only thing you just need to do is to make sure you're cleaning everything as fast as possible, without neglecting any little dots on the floor, despite there's still something dirty on the floor. So I'm going to be advising you guys to make sure you've eaten before you start doing all of this cleaning, because you're going to be feeling frustrated and frustration again, and your soul is going to be as dirty as mine, and you will never want to master the art of getting things done, and you always want to procrastinate. So I'm cleaning the bed, cleaning the table, packing up some things that is not necessary and taking them out, sweeping the floor, and that is just everything I want to tell you guys. No one is going to be helping you to do all of these things. No one is going to be helping you to clean your room. No one is going to be helping you to do all of this transformation. You got to do it yourself. So big smile. Just try as much as possible to make sure you are packing out dirty things out, like your dirty clothes and wet clothes, just like my dirty towel. And you can just try to find a bed sheet to spread on your bed so that the secret of your life will not leak to the whole world. So if you don't really have a bag to pack your things, you can make use of some cartons the way I did. So that is it, and hopefully this video is helping you to start doing one or two things. So I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the next video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we're doing something that is sequential. So I'm gonna be seeing you guys soon. You need to take good care of yourself as well as taking good care of your environment. So that is what the vibe is all about. I don't know why I've been saying so. Since all of the videos I've been uploading, I've been like, so what? Okay, so that is the thing, and love you guys, like.